Welcome to another tutorial. This tutorial is going to show you how to do plan printing, and this is going to be to show you the top view looking down for your floor plan. So I've gone up to print. I'm going to choose template. I'm going to remove the image in the corner. So it's a blank area. I'm going to go up and I'm going to now bring in the 3D view. So I drag it across. Black and white view. Double click on it so that you highlight it. So all your little icons at the top here. Go to viewpoints, top view. It's going to ask you a cutting point. Make this lower than your ceiling, and then you'll actually see your layout from the top view. Now I'm going to layers. In layers you can turn off certain things, or what you're going to see me do now is by clicking on the little white box. You see there I've removed it, just to show you. Back, and come back. Now if I click on the little white box, I can influence the texture so that they stand out. So there's the fridge and the sink with the texture. Now I'm going to go down and do my top covers. So the kitchen up units. I'm going to give that a texture. See that now my top cupboards are different from my bottom cupboards. Once you've done that, you can position it where we want it by dragging it across with the mouse. Now I'm going to go down, I'm going to set up how I want my lines to be generated. So what I'm going to do, on this you can adjust different elements. If you have a look on the right hand side, I'm going down and I'm going to just change this one to no. There. And now I'm going to go down and I'm now going to change my font. Take it from the courier and I'm going to make it Fedora. Okay. And I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. It makes it easier to actually fit in all the information. If I hit default down here, it's going to keep those settings now forever. So I don't have to go back in and keep changing it. Now I'm going to choose the second tool down here, which is the continuous dimensions. And by clicking, you'll see a red little dot will appear. I'm just going to click onto each area where each cabinet is, on the back of each cabinet and on the wall. And I click and then I drag out, and there's my measurement: 70, 400. 600, 500. Go back to the tool, continuous, and drag it. Now I'm just going to do the whole wall. Click, drag out. 197. There we go. Go back again to the continuous. So we have a measurement for bottom units. So whichever way around, bottom and the top units and the wall. Now we can do the top wall, including the window. Again, using the continuous tool, go the other way, and this time I'm actually measuring the carcasses. So I've got 900, 1100, 900. Again, with the continuous tool, do the other wall. 300. And here between the fridge and the cupboard there's a 21 gap. I've allowed for that as well. You can see the 20 gap. I'm going to use continuous again, and I'm going to just measure right across. That's highlighting where the handle of the fridge is. Pull that down. There you go. That's all our measurements. And for our top unit, I just want to show the width of that, the depth, and I'm going to pull that out at 350. I'm now going to click the selection tool, and I want to make this a bit smaller. I want to add some new things to the actual bottom. So by dragging it up and letting go, everything moves smaller. And I actually want that one inside over there, so we'll just redo that one quickly. Continuous. Clicking on it, I can drag it and move it into the area where I want it. And if I don't want the outline, I can click on the right hand side and say no. And now the outline is gone. Now we're going to go in and we're going to set up a key for this. It's going to give us a breakdown of all the cabinets and information inside the drawing. Finish, I'm literally just going to drag it. Go. And now what we've got is we've got all of the information of everything that's inside the drawing. And you click on the two dots at the top. Say OK. And now it's going to put numbers to each of the items. So on the side, the item numbers reflect in the drawing. I can still go one further. I can actually do a proper itemized item list for the fitter by pressing the M, say OK. Again, you just drag it down into the area you want it. Okay, let go. Click. It breaks down all the information about that kitchen. So your materials, what the top is, everything, edging, everything. Now what I did, I just clicked on the bottom where it said Ambiente. I actually clicked on that and just dragged into my print area, and it brought the image from my 3D into the drawing. By doing that, you can even show an image of the floor plan with all the information. I hope this video has helped.